Okay, so here we are with the tie-down eyes in the back of the Toyota pickup and the turnbuckles installed. Right now the camper's a little crooked in the truck. I got to fix that. But anyway, this is the concept, and keeps the camper from sliding backwards and also keeps it from lifting up. Okay, we've got the porta potty removed, the access door open, and here is the eye bolt installed, and right up above here is the tie-down bolt. So the turnbuckle, going to go just about straight up and down here, which is just exactly what we wanted. Under the cushion and the settee, this little port that pulls out that gives you access to this space here, because there's a water tank up there. There's not a side door, but there's a door above instead. And so here we've got the other eye bolt stuck in the hole. Now we're going to go and put the doubling washer, lock nut, and nut on it, and it'll be, as you can see, going to be right directly below the tie-down eye, so the turnbuckle is going to have a straight pull, which is just what we want. Okay, so what we got now are 4 mounting holes that are positioned as well as we can to give a good connection to the existing eye bolts in the camper.